Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing an AirPods. This isn't an actual unboxing because this iPod has actually been unboxed before, but this is the first iPod unboxing on our channel. We have never done a video with iPod before because I've never gotten my hands on one before. Of course, I've seen some at Apple stores, but I have never personally had an AirPod. But today, I've got one here. Of course, this isn't really a new iPod or anything. Like I saw in the thumbnail, it's an $8 iPod. So just a backstory, like I got this iPod for $8 on eBay. As usual, I was just scrolling through. I just saw this listing for an $8 iPod. Of course, this isn't really any new iPod. I'll just show it to you guys. As you guys can see here, this is a iPod Shuffle. It isn't the new iPod Touch or anything, but I guess $8 for an iPad is good. So I've personally not tested this iPod at all. I just got it, I just unwrapped it from this package and I just have it in this box here. I still have not opened it. So let's open together in this video. Oh, and before we unbox or we get into the main part of this video, just want to say I hope you guys have liked the Apple Arcade games on Mac and iPhone videos. So there are two videos which came out, so I hope you guys liked it because I really spent like around 12 hours plus to edit each video. I hope you guys liked it. So now let's get started with this video. Here's the iPod. Now let's unbox this. Let's just open it. Open it and now let's take this out. Oh, it actually came with this plastic, so let's put this aside. I thought this was paper and cardboard, but this is actually plastic. That's cool. Wow, that's weird. We got a USB to headphone jack adapter and we got some manuals as usual. So what does it have here? Just how to set up this iPod. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. This wasn't expected. Two mini Apple stickers. I really wasn't expecting this. Those are really cool. I'm definitely not going to use them because this isn't paper which came. This is plastic, so that's quite different. And two mini Apple stickers. We never have them. Definitely not going to use them. Keep it. And here just an important product information. And oh, and I think you guys can see here, it says 2009 Apple computers. So this iPod was back in 2009. For me, I don't personally follow up on iPods, so I don't really know about them. Onto the iPod. Let's open this out of this plastic. It's holding it. Pull it out. Just pull it out. Okay. Oh, let's just clip here. That's cool. I just realized there's this clip with this small Apple logo here. That's really cool. I can just clip it onto somewhere. The on-off switch, of course. Headphone jack, that's it. We only have the headphone jack. The headphone jack is the only port in it. Just, I think for data transfer everything, just plug this in. That's cool. So now with the unboxing done, we have our iPod Nano, sorry my bad, iPod Shuffle. So we got our iPod Shuffle here with this cable which I've never seen in my life except now. So let's connect this to a computer and try turning it on. Okay, yeah, so the main catch here for this iPod being $8 was, I heard from the seller that this iPod was having connecting issues. I'm not really sure what the seller said because it was quite confusing, but the seller said it has some connecting issues. Maybe it has some connecting issues with this Mac, or I'm not really sure, but whatever it is, let's get started and let's plug this in to the computer. I've got my MacBook here, and as you guys can see by this and everything, that this MacBook is not the newer one but the old one. This is my 2009 MacBook Pro, like many of you guys would have known. So I thought getting a MacBook from the same year would be the right thing to do. So this is from 2009 and the MacBook is also from 2009. So I guess that would be the right way to do it. Yeah, that's another reason too. This has a inbuilt USB drive, so we need not use any adapters. So let's plug this directly into the computer. Take that and here. Plug this in. So now I've got the iPod connected and I'm just waiting for the computer to detect it. After that we can start checking it. So that really took a long time. I had to switch off my iPod and turn it on again before it was actually detected. Let's open this. I managed to open it, but it actually took quite some time to load it up. I think it was because of a MacBook iPod Shuffle. 2.2 gigabytes of storage, so that's okay. Software version, so I can update it. And do I have music here? Because there isn't any music on this. So now let me try to add music onto this iPod and try playing it. I found the issue, guys. Just like what I told you, I went off camera. I tried to download a few music. I tried for an hour or so. I tried downloading music onto it. I tried to off it and turn it on. I tried all sorts of way, but the music got into the iPod. But the problem with the iPod is that when I plug in my headphone jack or when I try to play it, it's not playing. And after some time, what I figured out was that this iPod only has the electricity or only has the connection when it's powered into the MacBook. So it takes electricity directly from the MacBook and not from the iPod itself. So I think this is maybe a motherboard issue of the iPod or probably a battery issue. I'm not really sure. And of course, I'm not going to bring it to a repair shop and try to repair it because I just paid $8 for it, and the repair is definitely going to cost higher. So it's definitely a waste of money going to repair this. I mean, even if I repair it, what's the point? I already have my Apple Music in, so I can just play my songs using that. I guess that's pretty much it for an $8 iPod. Since there's an Apple logo here, I think I can just put it somewhere, just paste it to the wall, or just use this as a clipper. So maybe I could just use this as a paper clip, or I might just keep it in the box, just store it away. So that's been it for this unboxing of this $8 iPod. This isn't really much of a content heavy video or video where I explain you guys how to do something or what. This isn't really that. Just a fun video for us to test out small hardware that we got. I hope you guys like this type of retro content. Like I said in my last video of 2021, that this year we're gonna have lots of retro tech content. You might also consider this as retro tech since it's 2009, but isn't really a proper retro tech. But of course, we have many more interesting videos coming up right for you guys. But till then, get subscribed, turn on the notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.